SVANDA is a renowned center in China for laser equipment research and production. Equipped with our own senior research and development team and a comprehensive service system, we have more than 1,000 square meters of R&D center and office space, and more than 20,000 square meters of production base. SVANDA strictly conducts quality control in accordance with European CE certification, US FDA certification, and ISO 9001 certification standards. Our laser equipment has been sold to more than 100 countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, Europe, and Africa. Let me introduce the advantages of laser cutting machines to you. 1. Lightning perforation. Seamlessly transitions to perforation mode as soon as it reaches the target position. 2. High-quality cutting. Boosts processing efficiency by over 30% compared to traditional methods. 3. High-speed cutting package. Achieve a 37% efficiency boost with increased cutting speeds. Let's take a look at the advantages of a laser tube cutting machine. 1. High-speed cutting. Swiftly cut stainless steel with ammonia and achieve a 37% efficiency boost, along with significantly increased cutting speeds. 2. Pipe holding security. Full sealing design ensures a secure grip on heavy and smooth pipes, accommodating round and square pipes up to 220 millimeters. 3. Real-time cut point tracking. Enhance part processing precision by tracking pipe position and adjusting height in real time. As a new welding method, laser welding machine has the following advantages. 1. Faster. Laser welding is a fast process, resulting in quicker production and reduced downtime. 2. Minimal heat affected zone has. Laser welding generates minimal heat, reducing the risk of warping or distortion in the workpiece. 3. Accessibility. Handheld units are portable and easy to maneuver, allowing for welding in confined spaces and on complex geometries. Next up is our precision cutting machine. Utilizing a single-mode continuous fiber laser ensures stable performance, with automatic calibration and autofocus capabilities in the cutting head. Adjust according to user's material and its thickness, enhancing work efficiency. Equipped with a chip collection trolley underneath, the machine can gather waste materials and small components during the production process, along with smoke and dust exhaust ports. Processing through the simple import of CAD graphics, and the cutting data can be saved. Finally, there is the handheld laser marking machine. Supercharged marking speed. Achieved 2 to 3 times the speed of traditional laser marking machines, boasting excellent beam quality, precise spot size, and exceptional marking results. Cost-effective operation. Operate efficiently at a low cost with a mere 5 OW total machine power consumption, making it energy efficient, significant energy savings. In comparison to lamp-pumped and semiconductor laser marking machines, it can save up to $2,700 to $4,100 in electricity costs annually.